Hey guys, today let's learn how to take a long screenshot on Windows 11. So if you guys are wondering how to take a long screenshot on your browsers using Windows 11, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So what we need to do first is to go ahead and search for a specific extension from the Chrome Web Store. And what I want you guys to download, and what I also recommend, is to download this that I've already downloaded before, the screenshot and screen video. So go ahead and just search for screenshot. And what I want you guys to download is this extension over here, right there. And basically just tap on add to your browser. This will work on any browser even if you're not using Google Chrome. So once it is already added to your browser, hop onto the specific page that you'd like to go ahead and take a full screenshot of, and then just tap on this extension, tap on whole page. It's going to go ahead and commence and also take a screenshot of the whole page. As you would notice, it's basically doing its process. So let's go ahead and try this out on a different page. I'm going to go ahead and try this out right here. All right, so I've already took a screenshot of my page, and as you would notice, it also proceeded to open a new link where I can basically go ahead and do some edits on my screenshot, as you would notice. But once you're done and once you're ready to save this, just tap on this save option right here to save it or download it also as a PDF or PNG. And that's all for this video, guys. That's how you guys can easily take a whole screenshot of a page on your Windows 11 PCs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.